So member, member, that's not how the speaker operates. So I'm going to say it for the final time. Your question must be as it relates to the statement that was made by Minister today.
So the opposition walked out of Parliament. But before I continue any further, ensure that you like, follow, share, and comment. Opposition walked out of Parliament, and the response from a lot of persons are really split. But I believe it's a matter of intent and or lack of understanding. Lack of understanding because a lot of people simply do not understand what the job, the duties of the House Speaker is. The rules of Parliament. Intent because some people do understand, but again, choose to spread false narratives. And as usual, I'm going to give my thoughts, and I want to hear yours in the comment section as well as I said prior. So, here's what happened. The PMP felt as if the House Speaker treated them unfairly and showed favoritism by muting their mic and not allowing them to ask questions that they, the PMP, deemed, and I personally believe that were important questions as well. However, here's the issue. The member who asked the question, who was a member of the JLP party, who made a statement, the original statement, right? Whichever member make a statement or present an argument, if you're going to ask a question, the question has to be pertaining to the original statement. Again, so if me say to you, say, so we just buy some new vehicle, you can't ask me about the weather. I'm not responsible for climate change. You get me, Chelsea? So what was happening? The members of the opposition were asking questions of the minister that were not pertaining. And even if you believe that they were pertaining, the House Speaker, did not feel as if they were pertaining to what was originally stated. And that's where the issue lies. The House Speaker spoke to the opposition multiple times, and they persisted by simply asking the question in different ways. Hence why the Speaker executed her duty to mute their mics and ask them to sit. So, again, the House Speaker acted within her powers, within her right, her actions fell in her duty. But I know some of you will simply not see it that way, and that's fine. So share your comments in the comment section.